One of the most effective ways of getting good trade entries is simply by compounding indicators, and not just a bunch of random indicators. There are three main proven long-term investment strategies that most of us use for our trade analysis, and depending on your trading style, you can enable about 3 or 4 indicators accordingly. As for me, I base my analysis on momentum, and so most of my indicators are momentum indicators. On this chart, all the indicators tell me the same thing in different ways. With the Bollinger Bands, we can see the strong bullish movement after price touched it at the bottom. And the relative strength index is still around the middle point, but we can see an increase in the bullish direction. The Bulls and Bears indicators show a decrease in the bearish momentum. Finally, we can see how price bounced off this support level. So there are multiple different confluences encouraging us to go in for a buy. And after waiting for about 6 hours, we can see how well the trade played out. With a larger balance, we can take larger trades. For the next trade, I just simply followed an already moving trend reversal on gold. Although the trade lasted for just a few minutes, it yielded a profit of $700. For the third trade, I spotted a good trend reversal setup on one of the smaller time frames. Looking closely, we see that the market ranged between a support and a resistance level. And this is important because it means that the market has stopped making higher highs. But even with all the confluences, it's still very risky to be trying to catch a trend reversal. So essentially, this is a high-risk trade. I've gone in with just one position, and I'll stick to a very strict risk-to-reward ratio. And after waiting for an hour, we've got a winning trade. Unfortunately, we had to endure a more noticeable drawdown, but in the end, the trade moved in our direction. So going from $500 to $5,000 can be done with just 3 well-placed trades. You guys can let me know what you think down in the comments. If you found some value in this video, please consider leaving a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.